So yeah, just made some roast chicken. Just made a roast chicken in the slow cooker, and I'm just making the stuffing here. Just cut up some onion fine and a bit of garlic too, and I think I added some rosemary. And yeah, just used a bit of margarine to mix it all together. You can use some butter if you want to. Just probably need to soften it a little bit first. So yeah, just chucking the chicken in to the crock pot. Just drizzle a little bit of olive oil over the chicken. Seasoned it with some paprika, some rosemary, some salt, black pepper, and that was it. You can add what you want though. And then chucked it on high, cooked it for about 4.5 hours. Just pre-boiled some potatoes and then just rough them up a wee bit just so that they would be nice and crunchy on the outside, and roasted the vegetables for like half an hour to 40 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius, and then bumped it up to about 250 for like the last 15 minutes or so. For the gravy, I just added the juices from the slow cooker to the roasting pan that I roasted the vegetables in, and to that I added some chicken stock powder and about a tablespoon of corn starch that I dissolved in a bit of water first, and then just bring that to a boil and simmered it till it thickened up, and that's what I use for the gravy.